Storytime Square! Let's leap into adventure! Hi, Royal Readers! Welcome to Storytime Square. I'm the Royal Ribbit. I will be your tour guide on our reading adventure. Today, we will be reading Never Let a Unicorn Wear a Tutu. It's about a little girl and her unicorn who wants to spend a special day together doing all the fun things unicorns love to do. Let's read together to find out just what a magical day you can have with a unicorn. Never Let a Unicorn Wear a Tutu. Written and illustrated by Diane Alber. Today, I overheard my friend say, "Never let a unicorn wear a tutu." Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to ask why. Now, I have this fantastic tutu for my unicorn, but I'm not sure what to do. This tutu was specifically made for a unicorn. It says so on the tag. So, what could go wrong? Unicorn immediately tried it on. First, she danced. Next, she twirled. After that, she pranced. It was great to see her so happy. Then, she did something that I wasn't expecting. She took off running. "Where are you going?" I shouted. I soon found her at my shoe rack. Apparently, a tutu needs to be accessorized with shoes. I calmly explained to Unicorn that this will be the only time she can borrow my boots. I repeat, the only time. After I got the boots on Unicorn, she wanted me to wear some fancy boots too. At first, I was reluctant, but I finally agreed. But then, she took off running. Again! This time, she got into my bows. "Stop!" I yelled. After Unicorn put bows in her mane and tail, she wanted me to wear bows too. And once again, she took off running. "Where are you going now?" I hollered. "No, not the jewelry," I screeched. But it was too late. Necklaces, rings, and bracelets were flying everywhere. After Unicorn layered herself in jewelry, she wanted me to wear jewelry too. But then she took off running. Again! Unicorn headed right for the kitchen and started tossing cupcakes at me. Miraculously, all the cupcakes landed perfectly on the plate. I thought Unicorn would be ecstatic. I had saved all the cupcakes. But instead, a little teardrop ran down her cheek. She looked so upset. I tried to figure out what had happened, but I couldn't understand what Unicorn was trying to say. I started to think, if I were a unicorn with an amazing tutu, fancy boots, sparkling bows, dazzling jewelry, and yummy cupcakes, why would I be sad? I soon realized that there was one thing missing. I quickly rushed to my closet. I began rummaging through my clothes and I pulled out a tutu and announced, "Twinsies!" Unicorn jumped for joy. Unicorn made me feel special all day. She included me from the minute she tried on the tutu, the fancy boots, the hair bows, and the dazzling jewelry. She even invited me to eat the yummy cupcakes. It all makes sense now. Never let a unicorn wear a tutu, unless you're wearing a matching one too. The end. I hope you enjoyed our storytime adventure together about Unicorn wearing a tutu. It was so nice Unicorn wanted to share her special day with her friend. What was your favorite part of their special day? That was a great part too. I agree. I hope this joke is not too unicorny. What is a unicorn's favorite breakfast? Lucky Charms! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on our next reading adventure. Bye-bye.